The Aceh War was one of the longest and most costly colonial wars faced by the decade. Its lesson from 11873 to on 194 October resistance continued even after the period. The war involved political, economic, religious, and cultural factors.
The conflict began in 1873 when the Dutch launched a military expedition to invade Aceh, but their first attack failed. They returned with a stronger force and captured the capital. However, the Acehnese people continued resisting through guerrilla warfare. Leaders such as Tuku Umar, Cut Nyak-dien, and Tengku Cik Ditiro led the struggle. The war became long and brutal, with heavy losses on both sides. Heroes of Aceh.
Tuku Umar. Tuku Umar was one of the most important leaders in the Aceh War. He became famous because of his clever strategy against the Dutch. At one point, he was pretending to cooperate with the Dutch in order to gain weapons and military supplies. While the Dutch were trusting him, he was secretly planning to return to the resistance. Eventually, he betrayed the Dutch and brought the weapons back to the Acehnese fighters. He continued leading guerrilla attacks until he was killed in battle in 1899. Cut Nyak-dien. Cut Nyak-dien was a brave leader who continued the struggle after her husband, Tuku Umar, was killed. She was leading the resistance force while the war was still ongoing in the forests of Aceh. Even when her physical condition was getting weaker, she was refusing to surrender to the Dutch. She kept fighting and encouraging her troops while they were hiding and moving from place to place. Eventually, she was captured and exiled to Sumedang, where she later died. Tengku Cik Ditiro. Tengku Cik Ditiro was a religious leader who was playing an important role in strengthening the spirit of resistance. He was spreading religious motivation and encouraging people to fight against the colonial rule. While the Dutch were expanding their control, he was organizing fighters and uniting the community through religious teachings. He led several battles against the Dutch before he eventually died during the conflict.
The war did not win a formal peace agreement between the co-parties. Instead, it ended with Dutch military dominance. Many Aceh leaders were killed or captured, and the Sultan of Aceh effectively lost its sovereignty. Nevertheless, the spirit of resistance remained strong among the Aceh people. The Aceh War became an important symbol of anti-colonial struggle in Indonesian history.